Section we are going to see data types available in Python. There are various data types available in Python programming language. In that we are going to see first data type, that is number. In this number data type we are going to see first data type, that is integer. You may know that integer has with a number which is does not have decimal point. For example, 100, 0, -20 and so on. So this integer can be used with the help of int keyword. Is float. Generally float has a decimal point with number. For example, 200.25, then -25.25. These are the valid examples of float data type. Then next is complex number. Generally complex number has type x plus yj. So you can use this complex number format for representing any complex number in your program. Next data type is string. String is nothing but it is a combination of characters, numbers or literals. In this case you can see that there is one example, that is you can write John into double quotes or you can write John into single quotes. Both are valid examples of string. If you want to create a string, you can create this string with the help of just using double quotes or using single quote. We are going to see is list. This is similar like array in other programming language, but there are some difference. We will see it later. The first thing about this is that you can use this list to create n number of elements, and this is linear sequence of elements. This list is also mutable. It means that you can add, you can modify or you can change number of elements after creation of list. This list is quite similar to array, but the big or major difference in list and array is that you can enclose any type of elements in this list, while in the case of array you can add just one type of element in that array. Element in list are linearly arranged, that is you can see that the first element is stored at 0th index, whereas second element is stored at first index, third element is stored at second index and so on. So basically the focus in the list is on index rather than elements. You can create simple list like this. If you want to create list, you have to use square brackets like this. For example, we are going to create one list like L1 is equal to, in square bracket you have to write ABCD, it is of type string. Then we have to separate each element with the help of comma. Then second element is 1, then third element is 2.3 which is of type float, then again comma, and next element is 4. Then you have to complete that square bracket. So you are going to see that there are total number of elements 4 which are available in that list L1. First element is of type string, second element is of type integer, third element is of type float and fourth element is of type integer. If you want to access or print this list, you can print it easily with the help of a statement like this, print into bracket L1. This will print all the elements which are available in list L1. If you want to access single element in that list, it is also possible to print that single element. Just you have to use the index of each element. For example, you can use a statement like this, print L1 into bracket 0. This will print or use returns first element which is available in list L1. So it will print A, B, C, D.